Well, welcome to the glass studio. Every year I make a little ornament for my kids. I have 7 children and I like to make each of them an ornament. So this year their little ornament is a house. I kind of thought it was good for this year of 2020 since we're spending a lot of time at home. So I cut out each piece and then I sandblasted some little tiny windows in there. So to do that, I took a piece of vinyl and cut it to the size I wanted of the window and then put that there so that when I blasted, I would blast all the way around and leave the inside of the window blank. Now I used a glue chip glass, so it looks like there's, let's see, I can show you some glue chip glass. I used glue chip glass so it looks like it's frosty in the windows.
Okay, cool.
So, but it's kind of hard to see in this one because they're just so tiny. Anyway, that's what it looks like. So I was going to show you how I put them together. So David, what is this thing called?
That's called the something boxer.
So I really like this. It made it so much easier to put together. So I put the frosty side out and stick one of the ends.
So that's the inside of the house then.
Yeah, so I put the frosted part inside and the sandblasted outside. And put in there so they matched up in the corners. A little bit of flux.
You did that like an expert, Jeannie.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
This is my 8th one. All right, then I just put a little bit on there. Okay, then I'll turn it.
I can't see that.
Sorry, I'll move my hand. Okay, and then I'll put the other end with the windows there. Okay, turn it again. So you can see this holds it right at a nice angle.
45-degree angle.
I say nice and you say the real thing, 45 degrees.
Well, it's 45. Actually, it's 90-degree angle, but it's 45 and 45 is how it comes up to a 90. So.
All right. You get the technical terms from him. I just say, look how cute. Okay. Now this last one, I like to just hold it in place because I want to make sure that it's square. And so I've found with these last few that it's just better to hold on to it. Because sometimes this last one doesn't quite match up. So if I hold on, and I'm kind of doing the outside, let me bring this closer here. And just put a little on that side. And then I can get the inside of it. All right. Okay. Now sometimes it's not quite square, so you can move it. I didn't put so much that it wouldn't move. So make sure my little house is straight. I put
So when you say straight, are you talking about the way it sits down on the floor?
Oh, not so much. More that it makes a square.
Oh, okay. So when you look down on it, it kind of looks
maybe
square.
You shouldn't look too close.
Okay.
Yeah, close enough. Okay, so now I use a corded glass, clear corded, you can see that the cord part is outside, which kind of looks like a roof. It did to me.
Kind of hear it, huh? That's cool.
Yeah. So, with that. Okay, just enough to keep it together. Look at the other side of the roof. I do that now because one of them I put on backwards.
Oh, so you listened to see if it's up, huh?
That's right, because it looks the same. That's why I didn't worry about it too much, but may as well do it right.
Did you take it off and
No.
refit it?
Shh, don't tell anyone. One of them is for us, so I'll keep that one.
Well, which one of the kids gets it?
We do.
Okay.
Not that they would be critical. Okay, so now it's put together, so I'm just going to put a little more on each side. And so it'll hold it in this little box while I do that too. Well, that's very convenient. Okay, I'm getting my readers. Now the trick with this is to be quick, or it'll fall through to the other side. Also, I like to keep sponging it off so that I won't get a lot of ash, because it seems like with these tiny ones, I do get a lot of ash. Okay, I'll get the roof part, and that doesn't sit as nice, so I just kind of do the best I can to get it flat. It's almost like you're making a gingerbread house.
Yeah, but it doesn't fall apart because the icing sets up better. This icing.
Yeah, that's true. So that corner didn't fit as well. Get it kind of flat. There. Okay, cute. Let's get you flat. Okay, this wants to fall down.
Did you ever think of tinning them before you put them together?
That would be a good idea. I'll have to keep that in mind.
Well, I think if you tinned them all, the bottom wouldn't have to be
Yes, you're right.
messed with.
That is very good.
Wait, is that the top of the house?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you left that until after you put the ring on it.
No. So I wouldn't have to do this if I'd tinned it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so I'm not going to worry too much about the inside, but I just want to make sure that there's not lumps that you might be able to see from the outside, so I'm just going to check for that.
Cool. And when I say cool, you have to be really careful not to burn yourself.
Yeah, it's not very cool. Okay, now I'm going to put a ring on top. I thought about putting a ring on top, but I thought this might be a better way. So I'm going to make my own ring, kind of. Just twist this around a pencil. I'm just using just a really thin wire.
What size wire is that?
I don't know. You're the
Thin, huh?
technical guy.
Well, I thought it might say something on the package.
Yeah, I looked for a minute. I don't see that it says on there.
So it's the technical term is thin wire.
Thin wire, yeah. Okay, hold it with pliers because it will get hot. If you burn yourself, then it's no fun anymore. A little bit of flux. And make sure this is flat up against there. And keep this close. Okay, that's it. Okay, so once it's all clean and cute, then it's ready to hang on your Christmas tree or to give them to all of your children for ornaments for their tree.
So how do they find the...
Yes, so if you would like to have a pattern for this, for the sides, the roof, you can check on our website and we will have it there. It's gsg-art.com.
And what, you'll go to the bottom of the page and look at patterns.
Okay, what he said.